Hi friends, it's Rindy from Pilates Nest. This Pilates for upper back relief is designed to help you bring relief to your upper back and improve the flexibility and mobility of your upper back. Let's go ahead and get started. Start with your legs hip distance apart, facing the mat. And just take a moment to feel comfortable with your heels underneath your hips and arms reach up towards the ceiling in a diagonal. Set the shoulder blades down your back, nod your chin towards your chest. Bend your knees softly a little bit and roll the spine down for a roll down, all the way down. Letting your head, neck, and the shoulders relax. From here, stack your spine back up. We're going to keep the arms by the side. As you stack your spine back up, lifting the abdominals in and up. And here's the last thing to come up. Nod the chin towards your chest. Exhale. Roll the spine up and over, stretching your upper back, creating more space in your upper back. And stack your spine back up, vertebra by vertebra, all the way back up. One last time. Nod the chin towards your chest. Exhale. Roll up and forward. And let your head just hang loose there. From here, circle the arms out, around, and in. So just let your arms just dangle there with comfort and ease as the arms help to release tension away from that upper back area. You can bend your knees or widen your stance as well if you need to there. 4 more circles. 3, 2, 1, and reverse. Go the other way. Around and up. Around and up. 3, 2, 1. And stack your spine back up, vertebra by vertebra, all the way back up. Head is the last thing to come up. One more time, nod the chin towards your chest. Exhale, peel, reach up and over. And sway your upper body to the right leg. So keep your hips back as from the waistline and up, rotates to the other foot. And stretch and rotate, and switch. Switch. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to your center. Lift the tummy in as you realign the spine back up, vertebra by vertebra, all the way back up. Come on to seating. So as we're seated, we're going to go ahead and turn around and face the front of the mat. Arms reach long and roll the spine down, vertebra by vertebra, stretching and releasing the back onto the mat. From here, legs are hip distance apart for shoulder root. Inhale, lift the pelvis up towards the ceiling. Then bring the arms up. Arms reach long side by side of the ears. And roll the spine down, vertebra by vertebra by vertebra, pelvis back into neutral. Inhale, lift the pelvis up. Your neck is long. Massage the upper back, middle back, and lower back. Inhale, lift up. Bring the waistline in, thigh stretches over, arms reach long and strong, stretching as you take time to unwind the spine, bone by bone by bone. One more time, inhale, lift up. Exhale, roll away, vertebra by vertebra by vertebra, all the way down. Bring the hands to your side. Turn over to face me. Stack your knees, making a 90-degree here, and stack your hands as well. From here, you're going to open the top hand and open back for a book stretch. So opening the upper back here, all the way back if you can there, or you can stay here if that feels more comfortable. We're going to hold here for 5 more counts. 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring the hand up. Follow your finger with your eyes as you bring and stack. One more time. Open back, stretch, and exhale. Close. Come up to seated and let's go to the other side. Bend your knees. Stack the hands, palm over palm. Open the top hand. Follow your fingertips with your eyes as you stretch your upper back. Open the ribcage back behind you. And exhale. And return. One more time. Lift. Open. Already feel more open in my upper back. And as you do more of these, you might feel like your back is loosening up more and more. And exhale. To return, good. Come up onto seated. And actually, let's go onto our stomach with your legs hip distance apart. Forehead is resting, hands on the outside of your shoulder for swan. Set the shoulders down your back, press your pelvis down as you lift your abdominals in and your upper back up. And exhale to lower back down. Inhale, rise, beam your chest forward, turn your head to one side, circle the head, neck and the shoulder. Actually, just the head, and then reverse that circle around and center and lower your body back down. Inhale, rise. Turn your head to one side, circle the neck, around and center and reverse. And center and lower your body back down. Take a deep breath in. We're going to pause here. 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower your body back down. Place your hand one on top of the other. Glue your forehead to your palm. Arms are pressing together. And lift your upper body up. Rotate your torso and look underneath your armpit. And center. And rotate to the other side. And center. Stretch and rotate. And stretch and rotate. One more each way. Last side. Center, lower your body back down. Come on to kneeling. And press back into a quick rest pose, stretching the shoulders and the upper back. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Walk your hand over to your left side. And off the mat slightly, both of the hands will come up, stretching the side of your upper back. 3, 2, 1. Walk your hands back to the center and then over to the other side, edge of the mat on the other side. Keep pressing your hip back, stretching your arms forward, stretching your upper back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk your hands back to the center. Stack your hands back up. And you're all done. Great job, you guys. You just completed Pilates for upper back relief. Come back to this workout to keep building flexibility and mobility and release any tension or tightness you feel in your upper back. And as you practice more, you will find more of freedom in your movement and ease in your movement every day. If you enjoyed this workout and if you found it to be helpful, be sure to like this video. And feel free to share it with someone who would find this video to be helpful. If you'd like more Pilates videos, specifically designed to help you improve your overall well-being from your strength, mobility, and flexibility, including your shoulders as well, and your upper back, be sure to sign up for my free 30-minute Pilates workout video, and I will send it right over to you. Alright guys, I will see you soon again on the mat.